Sushmita and you're watching me on Sushmita's Diaries. With this video I'm starting off a very special series and it's about Navratri hairstyles. So I will be sharing 9 hairstyles for 9 days of Navratri. It would be so much fun because it's always good to deck up for Navratri, Dandiya, Garba, Durga Puja and whatnot. And I would like to make a small disclaimer that all my hair is real. I'm not wearing any extensions. I'm sure some of you would comment that she's wearing extensions. No, all my hair is real. It's just that it's cut in long layers, so it might look a little uneven, but it's all real. So with that said, let's get started. I hope you enjoy the entire series.
First, begin with detangling all the hair. Now make a low pony at the back like this. Dividing the ponytail into 2 equal halves. Make a simple braid like so. Repeat on the other part as well. So basically we have 2 braids here. Now I will begin with wrapping one braid over the other as I am doing here. Fix these by using some U-pins. Wrap the other braid as well and fix with some bobby pins. Our braided bun is ready. Now I'm going to use some fresh flowers to give it a great festive twist. You can place the flowers however you like, maybe around the bun or just lower down the bun, but I like them on the sides, so I'm going to fix it like this. So my girls, you are done. Be ready to get a lot of compliments for this easy, beautiful hairstyle. Do try it out and tag me on your Instagram pictures. I would love to repost them. And also, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such videos. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye and take care.